Hello guys, welcome back again. In today's tutorial I'm going to show to you how to split two different image and then adding a text frame onto it. So the frame of the text is built between of the two image, so it look like it's getting cut by a text. Okay, let's jump to the tutorial. Enough with this talking. Okay, open a Canva and then make a new project, and now you need to insert the image that you want to edit. So you need to insert it one by one. For me, for example, I'm going to insert a rain image. So I'm going to use maybe this one. Increase the size of it like this. And then now you need to put a text on this page. For example, I'm going to type November. This one, and then change the font. I'm using this Amsterdam one font, this one. Then decrease the size of it. Don't forget to adjust the size of the frame like this. Okay, I'm going to increase it again. Now the next step, you need to change the font and the effect that you are adding before onto white color. Make sure it has the same color as the background. It's like this. And now the next step, you need to add an element onto this page. So I'm adding this element. Okay, put it on this side, this one. Now we'll change it onto a white color also. Now click the text, duplicate it, positioning it like this, and tap the duplicated button a lot of time, just like that. And now the next part, you need to duplicate this shape of element and then put it on this side. Okay, now when you're done, you just need to download this design. Download it, increase the size of the pixel, and when it's done, now go to a new page and insert the image that you are saved before. This one, adding it to the page like this, and then after that you just need to click Make Studio button and remove the background from this design. Click the BG remover, wait for a moment. Okay, when it's done, this is the result that you will get. And now you just need to cut the size of the frame onto this size like this, and insert a new image onto it. For example, I'm adding this image and put it on this side. Make sure it has the same size like that. And now go to the previous page. You can copy this text and put it on to this page. Paste. Okay, I'm going to change the color from it onto a black color like this and decrease the size of it. Put it on the side. Make sure it has a same exact size and position as the background. Okay, when you're done, now click the image that you are adding before, this one, then send it to the back like this and put it on this side. If you want to make it much more good, you can use a different color grading image to make it much more cool. So I will change the color from the image like this and increase the brightness and the highlight. For the contrast, I will decrease it. Just like this. And when you're done, this is the result that you got. If you want to adjust the size from this design, you can go to layers and then select this, all of the design, all of the element, and then group it. Now increase the size of it like this. This is the final result. That's the way to create it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.